With HairPoint Analytics, you can find out which files in your SharePoint Online are outdated and which pages are unused. To do so, we open HairPoint Analytics. It's an amazing SaaS tool that provides you with powerful out-of-the-box reports for any date range. Along with that, you get unlimited custom metrics and custom reporting capabilities. Let's see it in action. Let's open the Files and Pages report, where you can view usage statistics for files located in your SharePoint Online environment, as well as their location. We are going to find files that haven't been edited or viewed for a long time. To do this, we open Filters on the right-hand panel. Click on the File Pages tab and open the last modified filter settings. Set it to Is Before, set the date, let's say January 1st, 2021, and click Apply Filter. As we can see, although all these files haven't been updated for a long time, some of them have been in demand over the last 30 days. Let's refine the list a little more and remove the files that have already been deleted using the File is Deleted filter. Select False. And using Total Activities, we leave only files without any activities. Show items when the value is 0. If needed, the list can be exported by clicking on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the table. Export data and choose the format. To reset all applied filters, click on the Reset Filters button at the top of the page. If you're interested in unused files within the context of a particular site or site collection, you need to open the Site Collections report. Select the collection and find the site in the table below. Right-click, drill through, Site Files and Pages. Here, using the same filters and sorting methods, you can also find unused and outdated files. If you need to view files from a specific library, use the Document Libraries and Lists report, where you also have the option to sort by site or site collection. Find a library, click on it using the drill through option, and navigate to the Document Library or List Content report. We navigate to the similarly structured report, scoped to the library level, where you can also filter out unused and outdated files. Now, using this data, you can decide what to do with the files found. You can delete them, update them, or contact the site or library owner to discuss further actions. Besides the mentioned reports, you will also find usage statistics on visitors, SharePoint performance, search queries and results, devices, and operating systems, geolocation, and much more. And on top of that, custom events, reports, and metrics. You're welcome to try HairPoint Analytics using sample data right now without a credit card required. If you would like to start a trial using your data, please refer to the Quick Start Guide. For more details, feel free to reach out to the HairPoint team and schedule a personal presentation at any convenient time.